Hello, today we will guide you through how to fix no preview available error on Google Drive. If you've uploaded a file to Google Drive and the preview won't open, don't worry. This issue is often temporary and can usually be resolved with a few simple troubleshooting actions. In this walkthrough, we'll go through the most practical things to try so you can get back to viewing your file normally. First, if the uploaded file cannot open in preview mode, begin by troubleshooting the issue directly in Google Drive. Sometimes the error appears because the page did not load properly, the file is still processing, or the connection briefly timed out. Before assuming the file is damaged, it's a good idea to try a couple of quick fixes. On the official Google Drive site, click the refresh icon to reload the page. This forces Drive to request the file preview again and can solve minor loading problems right away. After refreshing, wait a few moments and check whether the preview becomes available. In many cases, this is all that's needed. If the preview still is not working, the next thing to check is your internet speed. Open a speed test page and click Run Speed Test. A slow or unstable connection can prevent Google Drive from loading previews correctly, especially for larger files like videos, PDFs, or image-heavy documents. If your speed is unusually low, give your connection a moment to stabilize before trying the preview again. If the problem continues, go to the three dots in the upper right corner of your browser and clear your browsing data. Cached files and cookies can sometimes interfere with how Google Drive loads content. After deleting the browsing data, reopen Google Drive and test the file again. This can help remove old session data that may be causing the error. You can also check whether the file is shared or not. If sharing settings are restricted, that may affect access to the file preview depending on how the file was uploaded or opened. Confirm that the file has the correct sharing setup for the intended access. This is especially helpful if the issue only happens with files received from someone else. Once you've gone through these checks, you can now download the file if needed. Downloading can be a useful workaround when the preview won't load in the browser, but the file itself is still available and intact. This lets you open it locally on your device using compatible software. Those are the key steps to help fix the no preview available error on Google Drive. Follow them one by one, and you should be able to narrow down the cause and restore access to your file.